We're in the Skagit Valley at Viva Farms, and I'm joined now by the guy in charge, Michael Frazier. Thanks for having us. So tell me exactly what you do here at Viva Farms.
Everything, no.
Pretty much, right?
Including pick up the trash, that's what I like to say.
Viva Farms is a farm incubator, meaning they give other farmers the tools and training they need to make farming a business they can rely on.
I do my part to make sure that the program's running well and that there's funding to do it and that farmers are happy. The origins is like, well, you know, what do farmers need to start their business? And over the course of the last 10 years, we've identified what we call the essentials, which are training, land, infrastructure, equipment, markets, and capital. So we provide all those essential to beginning farm businesses so they can both start and scale their farm businesses.
Viva's mission is to develop the next generation of farmers to grow food.
If there aren't enough beginning farmers that are learning how to farm and scaling their businesses to kind of replace those folks that are retiring, at some point, where does our food come from?
Student farms allow the participants to join a cohort of other future farmers in a 9-month practicum. Here, they learn everything from crop planting to finances and bookkeeping for their future businesses.
Once folks go through that program, they can actually choose to incubate on site and actually lease land from us. It's just like an egg incubator.
Yeah.
The environment's right where you can be successful and hatch and launch.
I'm Gianna,
I'm Matthew.
and we're the Crows Farm. So when we first kind of got the idea of starting a farm, we were familiar with the incubator program. So we knew about the concept, and we just started seeing if there was any of those kinds of programs in the area, and we found Viva, and then shortly after signed a lease, and 5 years later, here we are.
We want to have people prepared for success right out of the gates, because if they start year one and have a certain level of success, they're more likely to actually continue the second year and at some point scale, which is what we've seen since we've implemented that practicum as our prerequisite.
We leased 1 acre from Viva, and now we're farming 6.5, 7 acres in our 5th year.
One of our largest contingents are Latino folks, so we offer all the programs we offer bilingually. And one of our primary missions is to actually help farm workers become farm owners.
Este es mi segundo año.
It's the second year here.
Francisco is a farmer leasing land from Viva after going through their program. He only speaks Spanish, so we're talking to him through his interpreter.
Viva taught me different things about managing my business, about organic certification, and also helped him learn how to drive tractors, how to drive the tractor on the highway in particular. So all kinds of things like that would have been hard to learn on his own.
Approximately 40% of our participants over time have actually been previous farm workers that have now started their own businesses here. We also have a pretty large contingent of women that own and operate their own farm, way above the national average. Pretty much the whole spectrum. We have college graduates, we have people that are on their second or third career that want to kind of move towards farming.
It's great to be outside, it's good to be a business owner.
There's just a lot of benefits that Viva offers, and that if he were trying to start this up independently, it would have been hard to have those same kind of benefits.
You can see the results kind of thing, you know, see how your hard work is paying off.
Farmers are scaling and they're making substantial income, and they're continuing to see farming as a viable business moving forward.
Well, good job.
Gracias.